Okay, so now they don't give us a graph, they don't give us a table, but they give us an equation. So they're telling us here's the function. And so we're going to have to figure some things out. So this is going to be our x sub 1, this is going to be our x sub 2. We need to find f of 4. We have to evaluate the function at 4. This is going to be like your f of x sub 2, right? So I plug in 4 into the function. We've practiced that before. That's supposed to be a minus sign. And what do I get? 16 minus 1/4, or 16 is 64/4. So it looks like I'm getting we're out of room already. 63/4. So that's f of x sub 2, or f of 4 if you want to think of it that way. Now let's do f of 2. So we go back to our function, 2 squared minus 1/2, which is going to be 4 minus 1/2, or let's see, what is that? 8 halves minus 1/2, which is 7 halves. A little bit of fraction work here. Okay, so now we're going to go to our formula that says, how do we find the change of the average rate of change? We find the change in f of x over the change in x. So for us, it's going to be f of x sub 2 minus f of x sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And we already know what x sub 2 and x sub 1 are. So we want f of 4 minus f of 2 over 4 minus 2. And f of 4 was 63/4 minus, what was that, f of 2? 7 halves. Hey, can I just multiply by 2 here and get 14/4? Thank you. 14/4. I didn't have any complaints. Okay, over 2. That was, the 4 minus 2 was 2. Okay, so what's 63 minus 14? I don't know. 49? That sounds right. Over 4. Now, it's over 2, right? So you're going to have to think of that as 2 over 1, and you're going to go 49/4 times 1/2, which is going to be 49/8. Now, they might want it that way. That's a fine way to put it. I would probably write it that way, 49/8. Or they may want a decimal approximation. Let's see what we get. 49 divided by 8, it's 6.125. So I don't know which way they want it, but I'm happy with either one in this case. They don't give us any units of measure, so it's just an equation.